To insert a shape in a Word document, first open your MS Word program. So click on Start, click here, and type Word. As it shows up in the search results, select it for it to open. As you are landed on the start screen, let's work with blank document. So I will click here. Let me close this. Okay, so let me make this to be 100%. Okay, better. All right. Now to insert a shape, the next step you need to take is to click on Insert tab. Okay, this displays some commands. Our interest is on shapes, so click on shape. All right, this displays some shapes. Okay, so in this case, let's say I want to work with rectangle. So once you take your cursor to any shape, you will see the name. So I'll click on it. On clicking on it, you can see the cursor has changed its sign. All right, then take your mouse, take your cursor to the section of the document where you want to insert the shape. You can see I want to insert it here. Then press and hold on the left button of your mouse. I said long press on the left button of your mouse. All right, don't release the pressure. Just long press on that button. Then start moving in one direction until you get the shape you want. All right, good. You can see here I have inserted the shape. Once the shape is inserted, you will see some commands at the top here. All right, a particular tab, sorry, a new tab here. You can see shape format. This allows you to format the shape the more. As you can see, this is filled with a particular color. If you don't want that color, you can click here and you select a different color. You can see as you're selecting any theme style, a different theme style, the color is changing. So this is about the themes, all right? Okay, so let's go back to see another thing we can do here. You can see shape fill, all right? We are talking about the color inside here. If you want to change it, click here. You can select white so that to be the same color with the document, all right? Or if you don't want any color to be filled inside the shape at all, just select the no fill option. You can see there's no color filled inside this shape. All right. Then if you want to assign a different outline, you can click here. Maybe you want to change the outline from black to another one. You can select any color here. Maybe is this you want or this one you want. Anyone, just click and the outline will be applied. All right, so this is how you can make some changes about that. Okay, so we have worked on shape fill, we have worked on outline. Okay, so just click here. If you want to change the weight of the outline, maybe it's too small, come down to this weight and then select a different weight of your choice. You can see this one is bolder. So this is how you insert shape. And another shape you can insert, maybe you want to insert a different shape, just click on insert, then just let's work with another shape here. So click here, and maybe which kind of shape do we have this one? We take our say, okay, it's frame. Maybe we want to use frame here. You click on it and take it to document and insert. All right, or if you want some other bigger type of shapes, you can go with any of these. There are a lot of shapes here that you can work with. Once you take your mouse to one, you will see the name. Okay, let's say I want to insert cylinder here. So I'll click on cylinder, then I'll take my cursor here, press and hold on the left button of my mouse, and then I will drag. All right. Once the shape is inserted, you can see this shape format tab, the new tab. You can make some adjustments, fill with a different color, outline, and shape effect. So just do your thing, all right, and you get the results you want. Okay, it's as simple as that. So if you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. Here we cover a lot on tech, so subscribe to learn more. Thank you and see you some other time.